Okay. Hi, everybody. This is the FreeMoCap developer update for the week of August 12th. It's not a huge ton to report. I finished revisions on the manuscript I was working on, which is not directly relevant to FreeMoCap, but it is relevant to my ability to work on FreeMoCap, so I count that as progress. And the other thing is that we are moving towards the alpha phase of this project, which is very exciting. Arguably, it's still going to be janky as hell, but it's going to be sort of the first. The goal is to have something that that other people can realistically use. It's going to have media pipe based tracking, which is Apache 2, which gets away from like the weirdness of OpenPose's license. And also we'll work on non-NVIDIA graphics cards and like reasonable computers. We're going to have tutorials, demos, documentation as much as we can. That's obviously always a work in progress, but we're going to have non-zero of those by alpha. And also maybe the world's worst GUI, which is really probably just going to be like an IPython console, like a standalone thing that has sort of like that with buttons to just input commands into the console directly to run the code, which it's not a great GUI, but it does the job and kind of builds towards the dream of making a standalone GUI that kind of like shows a lot of the underlying workings in a way that we can build off of. Long term, basically, I want like something like Blender duct tape to Spider is kind of my vision for the future. Release date, who knows? But I'll just say some dates to light a fire under my ass. Optimistically, we could have something by the end of the month. More realistically, probably something like mid to late September. And pessimistically, October. If it takes longer than that, something bad has happened, but bad things happen, so who knows. Trying to keep this under 2020 for Twitter. Under 2 minutes, 20 seconds for Twitter. And I'm going to do some demos on the stream. Thanks for your interest. See you next week. Bye. How do I turn you off? Okay, bye.